We know more about the surface of the moon than we do about the bottom of our own ocean. For centuries, we treated the deep sea as a desert, a crushing, freezing void devoid of life, light, and history. But in the spring of 2026, an oceanographic research vessel operating over the Mariana Trench picked up a signal that shouldn't exist. Not a shipwreck, not a natural rock formation, a grid, miles wide, humming with a faint electromagnetic pulse. They didn't just find a ruin. They found an entirely undiscovered civilization, and it was still breathing. Initially, archaeologists assumed they were looking at a sunken city, a real life. Atlantis lost to rising sea levels millennia ago, but the data quickly shattered that theory. The structures are built from a highly advanced, self-repairing composite material, seamlessly integrated into the ocean floor. Even more shocking, there are no traces of erosion. This city didn't sink from the surface. It was built down here. They call them the Abyssals, though we still don't know what they called themselves. Their architecture relies entirely on fluid dynamics and bioluminescent energy, instead of fighting the immense pressure of the deep sea, which stands at roughly 8 tons per square inch. Their buildings are designed to channel it, using hydraulic pressure to power an entire metropolis. As the ROV moved deeper into the central district, the ship's hydrophones began capturing audio. It wasn't mechanical noise. It was a symphony of complex, low-frequency acoustic vibrations. Poorly in the ocean, but sound travels 4 times faster than it does in the air. The Abyssals didn't write books or use screens. They encoded their history, their science, and their culture into acoustic holograms. Our linguists have only decoded a fraction of the data, but what we've learned is staggering. They survived multiple surface mass extinctions, including the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs by retreating deeper into the Earth's crust. They mastered geothermal energy, genetic engineering, and environmental balance millions of years before humans learned to strike flint against stone. But the most critical discovery wasn't their past. It was their warning for the future. The Abyssals are not isolated from us. The deep ocean is the heart of Earth's climate system, regulating temperature and oxygen cycles. For the last century, our industrial footprint, microplastics, chemical runoff, and rising ocean temperatures has been trickling down into their sanctuary. The changing chemistry of the upper ocean is suffocating the deep. The acoustic archives reveal that the city isn't abandoned because its citizens died out. They are migrating, moving even deeper into the uncharted subcrustal oceans beneath the seabed, escaping the damage caused by the surface world.